The Investing Formulas spreadsheet has a number of useful formulas in here that you will find helpful throughout your investing journey as well as your journey in personal finance. These last two are specific for bonds, and you might find those to be quite helpful when looking at bonds. Let's look at a standard thing, which is pretty typical in trying to have a look at values in the future. So, for example, let's say today you graduate from college and have a salary of, say, $55,000. So here in Formula One, you enter that under lump sum. And you want to know what's that purchasing power for that salary going to be, say, 40 years from now. So at 2% inflation growth rate and 40 years from now, the equivalent salary 40 years from now in terms of purchasing power, assuming a constant inflation rate, would be $121,000. Let's have a look at another formula which can be quite helpful, and that's this formula 4, which is helpful for understanding how investments can grow. Let's say by the time you're 30 years old, you have $50,000 invested, and that's going to grow at a rate of, say, 10.5%. Maybe you're going to make a contribution of, say, $7,000 per year, and that will grow at, say, 2% a year as your salary continues to grow. And so what we're trying to figure out is just how much money we're going to have after so many years of investing. How about typing, say, 35 years of investing? Well, then you'd have nearly $4.2 million. So that would be absolutely fantastic.